Boom, I'm live. So, this is video number 66. Give me one moment. All right, so letter D, changing the snap. What am I doing? Again, letter D, change the snap. There we go. Snap to edge of building. Because as the title says, we are doing a site plan, which is an overhead view of the property. And you see the property lines are just, we're doing this guy here, this building. And so we're just doing a lot. It didn't come up with several things highlighted, just that one. So it seems like it's straight across the front and it's a little tilted in back. And it seems that it might be, yeah, it's a little tilted back there. And that is the correct line for it, even though you really can't see the dot dash dash dot, and we want to make them all, let's return that. We want to make them all just 0. That's properly, I only use dark lines for buildings. All right, so we are again doing this. This is Ventura Boulevard here, as you see Ventura Boulevard, so that's a street here. We have a sidewalk, which sidewalks are usually about 12 feet. This one's a wide one. Well, yeah, zoom in to get a little more accurate. Move. Um, go to street view. Let's pull up street view. And let's go to the drawing. It's 2173 Ventura. 2173 Ventura Boulevard. It is in Camarillo. Yep, there it is. All right, so the green's the awning. It's not the building. So that's the green. That's the awning. And those tiles are red, so the tiles are the building. And so technically that's where the sidewalk starts. So we go to the tiles. We come out there. It's a I'm gonna say 20-foot sidewalk. I knew it was just, you can look at that. It's a super wide sidewalk. So let's make a line. That's just a straight line at a 0. Draw it like that. Double tab 270 for straight down. Then we take this. The snap is fine. We put the snap against the building. And we want to go to the delta X, 20 feet. Enter. That takes it to the right. So there's our sidewalk. And then we can copy and paste. And actually, I was going to do that, but that looks sloppy. So let's kill that. This is just building. So we go to the text. We go 24. We type sidewalk, caps lock, sidewalk. Ooh, still too small. 48. Yeah, it's not bad. Space bar for, uh-oh. Oh, it's because I'm still typing. Backspace. Click again to stop typing. Space bar gets your selection tool. Select it. Double click rotate. That is a 90-degree rotate. Grab it, move it. There's our sidewalk, and in bigger letters, let's go to 6 feet. We want Ventura Boulevard. So click to stop typing, space bar for the selection tool, click to select, come to here, and what's degree? 90. Enter. So now we have our Ventura Boulevard. We can even, with the selection tool on, select all that, move it over. There. We have an alleyway behind it. There's an alley, or that's the property, and then there's an alleyway behind the property. I have to go to the parcel map. I found this online at Ventura. I have a Ventura County website thing that I can go to and type in addresses and find these things. All right, why we're here is to find out if we can see a dimension for the alleyway back there, which right now I'm not seeing. It's not super important. They're usually about 20 feet. And since this is 30, that's about 20. All right, so we're gonna go over here. So I guess I do want to paste because I already copied it. Paste that line back there. Delta X, negative 20 feet, boom. And at this point, maybe I should do a paste again. Put that back there. And we make this alley. As you know, I am changing the rotation and blah, 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 blah. Okay, this, I guess I should, I'm not going to worry about it. What we can do is these continuation lines, copy, paste, move one into position, click off, click on, zoom in, so we can manipulate. Do the same thing over here, select, Control C, Control V, and then move that into position. And these are just continuation lines. It tells the people looking at it that those continue. It's not the end. And then we want to let them know this is, since we have a storefront view, it's a dental care thing. So we can just say adjacent retail, dental. Click off of it, spacebar, select, move. Click and move. And then we go to the other side. It's a studio. I guess it's a photographic studio. So adjacent retail photographer. Adjacent retail photographer. Click off of it to stop typing. Space bar for the selection tool. Click to select. And click and drag. There. And then the letters that we want to put in here are T dot I dot. Tenant improvement. Excuse me. And you know what? Let's say arrow and enter retail. This is retail. It's a smoke shop. And it says right here, Old Town Cigars, retail. All right. Now, what are we missing? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, oh student, oh Jedi. Tell me what's missing in the comment section. My goodness. Someone wrote me a paragraph and a half. Give me a moment. Back to you. Gotta blow my nose. One of the reasons I'm working on this plan is once I get these plans ready, it's money for the company. All right, so I'll go over the basics of any site plan. Obviously, client information, site plan with the right scale on it. You want streets, alleys, and sidewalks depicted. You need to have a legal description. It's only partially correct. The APN is correct. I'm just going to say commercial for the zone because I really don't know. Commercial. I honestly don't know if there's a block. I got the number 12 from here because this is our lot. The circled numbers, I don't know what they are. Um, I don't see a tract. I can go widescreen. Camera investment. See, this has a tract on it, but it has a couple of tracks, so I don't know which one belongs to here. So I really don't have any additional information I could give. I don't have a tract, so I'm gonna get rid of that tract, backspace. I don't know about any block. Just highlight that. Come on, just that. I have an APN commercial in lot 12. That I know for sure. So we'll keep that. You have your north arrow pointing the correct way. And we have our property lines. Oh, but how do we know they're property lines? Maybe we could put something that's a PL for property line. You bring out your blocks, you click on one, you type the first letter, because if you go to the second letter, it messes it up. And right here, property line. So bring it out, snap it, bring it out, snap it. Come on, snap over your, there. That's wrong. We'll fix that. I try to put it right in the corner. There you go. And right in the corner. There you go. This one is off. That should be in the corner. There. Okay. So now we have our property lines, and they are the proper dot dash dash thing is used. But what we don't have are dimensions. Let's zoom back in, come back down here. Go, it's Fir Street, which, where's Google? Googly moogly. See if you zoom out, you see here, Fir Street. So that's Fir Street. God. So that's fur, and then you have to count in. That's a big parcel there, which is this big parcel here. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you go big parcel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's us. It's 8002 on this side. So we, in big letters, go 80.02 feet. And then on this side, it's 7908. So then we say 7908 feet. And then here it says 30. Oh, 3003. I just made it 30. Oh, that's 30. So anyway, then 30 feet. But I like to spin that so people know it's talking about that side. So 30 feet here, 80.02, 79.08. And I mean, there's technically parking back there, but it's not really delineated. So I'm just going to put text tool, existing parking. I'm just not showing anything. Space bar to get rid of the purple. Now we are complete. This is a basic site plan. You got your property, you got your property lines defined, you're showing your sidewalk, streets if there are any. That's your alleyway. You're showing that the alley continues. You're showing the building continues in both sections because We are surrounded by buildings. This actually goes out and up, but whatever, whatever. They're not going to be exact about that, or they might. I don't know. Um, should I teach you to do that? Because it's even on this side, it's all effed up. See, because these go up, I should actually be moving this up here somewhere. Let me do that. This is the detail work that sometimes is annoying. All right, what I do is highlight the whole goddamn thing. Let's slide it about there. Let's highlight this damn thing and slide it about there. Because one is, longer than the other. And then all we really got to do is move this guy over here. And then we just have to draw a dark line from there to there. Because that's what I do for a building, is a dark line. So now we're showing that, yes, the building's a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. So that's more accurate. These are the doors to our space. Control S to save before I lose my work. This is A2. Our site plans are always a second page. And now the site plan is more correct. I think it's done. Legal description, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And, okay. So I'm going to save. I'm going to print a PDF. I'm going to double check because sometimes site plans don't print out right, but that one looks good. 1/8. We have the correct. We say okay. Our thing comes out. Oh, shit. I have this as template. I never saved it as. I should have been control saving then. Oh, well. My bad. Home, delete. This is Old Town Site. I really don't like it. I want it 24 by 36. Enter, enter. Now we can print, and hopefully it kept its shape. Yes. So now when we click on here, we see Old Town Site, save, and it goes right there. It opens up. And there you go. That's our site plan. It's all within the page, our template. So that looks good. Jason, everything's spelled right. You always double check spelling. That is a quick and dirty site plan. I didn't even have to drag the photo on. Interesting. Well, because it was easy enough site plan. Sometimes I bring the whole photo of the shopping mall there and then trace over it, but I had the floor plan, I had the parcel map showing me basic dimensions. Huh, interesting. There was not a lot of parking to show. I'm not going to show any parking. Anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. This is video 66. I know it says 66 of 100 because I never knew how many videos I was going to do, and who knows, over the next few weeks, um, I might actually upload 100. By now, if you've watched this far, you know how to do my job. You know, message me, find me if you want a job. You know, start drawing with us. We need help. I got tons of projects we have to kick out the door. Start bringing in some money. You help us make money. You get paid. You know the drill. So thanks for watching.